Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and find More Security and Privacy. And here in this list, we have to find the option Encryption and Credentials. So right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on Clear Credentials and tap on OK. Now, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter to confirm the whole step. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.